This semester we will study mechanics. In mechanics, the three fundamental quantities are length, mass, and time. In this class, we'll use the International System of Units. The abbreviation is SI system. In this system, unit of length is meter, unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. Let's define each of them. Length. Length distance between 2 points in space. Original standard for the foot adopted by the French was the length of the royal foot of King Louis XIV. It is not a standard that is constant in time. When a new king took the throne, length measurement changed. In 1799, legal standard of length in France became the meter. In present, the meter is defined through the speed of light. The established experimentally the speed of light in vacuum is 299,792,458 meters per second. So the current definition of meter is the distance traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 to 299,792,450 seconds. Mass. Mass of the object related to the amount of material presented in the object. Or another definition of mass is how much that object resists change in its motion. We'll talk about inertia in the later chapter. The SI fundamental unit of mass is kilogram. Kilogram is the mass of specific platinum-iridium alloy cylinder kept at the International Bureau of Weights and Measurements in France. Platinum-iridium is an unusually stable alloy. Time. Before 1967, the standard of time was defined in terms of the mean solar day. Solar day is the time interval between successive appearance of the sun at the highest point it reaches in the sky each day. So in 1967, the more precise definition of seconds was established. It's redefined in terms of atomic clock, which you can see on the slide. It's used the vibrations of cesium atom. The current definition of second, it's 9,192,631,770 times the period of vibration of radiation from the cesium-133 atom. The other systems that are used in the lab, for example, we use CGS system. C stands for centimeter, which is a unit of length. G stands for gram, unit of mass, and S stands for second. US customary system that we use here in US is adapted from the British system. In this system, unit of length is foot, unit of mass a slug, not the pound. We will talk about pound in chapter 5. It's a unit of force. The unit of mass is slug. And the unit of time is a second.